Hi everybody, today I'm giving you a how to clean your makeup brushes tutorial. I'm going to show you the products that I use and some of my own personal tips. The first thing that you'll need are your dirty makeup brushes. The next thing that you'll need is a cleanser. I strongly suggest using whatever it is that you use to wash your face with, only because you don't want to use like a shampoo or a harsh chemical on your brushes and then apply them to your face all the time. My favorite cleanser to use is the Aveda Botanical Kinetics Purifying Gel Cleanser. You will also need a bath towel or a hand towel to lay your brushes out on for them to dry. This is not completely necessary, but I will be using dish gloves because I need my gel manicure to last as long as possible. So when I clean my brushes, I do it at the kitchen sink, and I actually keep the bottle of cleanser in the sink because if not, water splashes everywhere. So first you want to start running warm water, and you're going to grab your first brush, swirl it around your hand, make sure all the bristles are wet, and just work the water through the bristles. I just placed my brush down because I'm going to pump a little bit of soap into my hands and let the soap get foamy first. So you're going to grab the brush and swirl the bristles around the soap and just squeeze that out. You're going to see a lot of your foundation or bronzer come out with the soap. And then you're pretty much just going to repeat that step until you keep seeing all of that brown foundation or bronzer out of the brush and the soap starts to run clear. Once the water runs clear, you are going to softly swipe your brush against the bath towel, and then you're just going to lay your brush flat out to dry. When you're cleaning your brushes, it's important to know that you should not rough up the bristles too much. You want to make sure that they're in their same shape. So I just softly run my thumb against the way that they're supposed to go. If you have a brush where the bristles are either really dense or the bristles are really packed together, like this one, you want to spend a lot of time working the water in between the bristles and making sure that the brush is really wet. If you're having a hard time cleaning a dense makeup brush like this one, go ahead and add a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and this is going to help break down all that buildup of makeup. To make time go by a little bit faster, when you get down to your eye brushes, like your shadow brushes or your brow brushes, you can actually clean 2 or 3 at the same time. The reason why you're laying your brushes out flat to dry is because some of the brushes might be hollow on the inside of their handle, so you don't want to stick them straight up and then have water seep into the handle. All right, guys, that was my tutorial. If you are practicing social distancing right now, this is something that you can do to make the time go by faster.